Hola everyone! I'm back to the channel after a long vacation and I'm going to do a simple car because I'm dealing right now with a frozen shoulder that is driving me crazy and I can do so many things with my left arm, but here I am doing what I love the most, that is my craft and my cars and my dolls and everything, that is crafty. I just stamping right now with oxidized distress inks, waves, and after that I'm going to apply the distress ink all over the top of the wave with a lighter blue, and I will cut with my die cuts an oval in the bottom right of the car. After cutting the oval, I'm going to decorate the inside of the car. This can be called the inside car or something like that. I want the outside to be simple and the inside a little bit more elaborate. I'm just going to use the same two colors distress ink. The top is going to be lighter and the bottom of the sea is going to be darker. I'm just going to use them. When I finish this, I'm going to use my I don't remember the name of the paper. I think it's Bristol paper. Yes. No, sorry. I'm going to use Nina 80 pounds, Nina Solar White 80 pounds to stamp the mermaid and the turtle. And after that, and I was going just to add those two to the car, but I was thinking we need a little bit more, and then I cut also corals and other fishes. I'm going to color her with my Gabby markers. I don't going to put the whole coloring because it's a simple coloring. I am not expert on coloring with copies. I try to do my best and trying to blend the best I can, but I have no technique whatsoever. After finish coloring, I'm going to cut hair with my scissors, what they call fussy cutting, and I also cut with two bigger oval and a small oval this frame because for me it looked like it's unfinished. I'm going to place here where I can see just the tail and a little bit of her hand. Also, the turtle is going to be hiding, but some of the corals and some of the fishes are going to be showing in the window. Right now I'm stamping my sentiment, the sentiment for the car, and I stamp it with it's from Recollections Clear Gold. I didn't see the clear word until I stamped it, and it didn't notice that much, but it's not bad. But I have another that I say only gold. Maybe with that one it's more solid and it will get the world to see a little bit more. But well, I already did it like this. Next time I know this one is clear gold and I use the one that is solid. In the inside I didn't put anything because I want to add the sentiments for when I need it, because I can use it for birthdays or other stuff. I use it here. I stamping bubbles with my white embossing powder, and I'm going to add the small blue fishes that I'm going to add the bubbles with my white gel pen. I'm also going to add dots in blue and white everywhere. You will see later that I die cut the corals. Well, I did the die cutting off camera, but you will see they are already colored with copy markers. I cut it in white and color them with in reds and orange and greens. Just simply coloring with copy markers and add it to the bottom of the sea. I also going to add dots in the corals in brown. This is supposed to be glitter pen, but when I add the dots I was thinking going to be like reflecting glitter, like the coral have like those reflecting lights in the bottom of the sea. Well, not in the bottom of the sea because I don't think in the bottom of the sea is light, but you know what I mean. When the light go through the water, they look so pretty, but it didn't do that effect, and I was thinking maybe I have to use another sim, but I didn't do it. And I like I say, I add white dots, blue dots, and brown dots to the whole thing. And here I'm adding again the glitter for the bottom of the sea to pretend that it's sand. Again, I didn't see the clear gold word. The clear, it get through me, but it's okay. It look like it matched the front of the sentiment to the inside of the card. In here I add in the small fishes in blue like I said before, and you will see I'm going to add the dots everywhere around the car. I also going to add wing of tela in the tail of the mermaid, the hair and the curls. I don't going to add and in the shell of the turtle. I don't going to add anything on the fishes. When I was making this car, I was thinking that in the front of the car it need a little bit something. You will see later that I add in the front of the car. Sorry for being so ahead of on the video, but I want to explain this before I forget. In the front of the car I add with my white gel pen the same shape as the way in the top of the dark blue, and make it look a lot better than just the blue. I also thinking that if you reproduce a weight thing like this, it will be awesome to spray the car with the glitter embellishments. It look awesome. I didn't do it, and I still thinking that I might do it, because those are tiny sparkles of glitter. They make different, and plus I think everybody love tiny and glitter. It change the car. You see here I'm adding the white gel pen, and I also going to add some little jewels, I think in clear, if I don't mistake. Yeah, in clear. I add some in the outside of the car and 3 I think inside of the car. because it's a holder, is no bother to close and open the car. Well, this is my car for today. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you like them. Until next car, goodbye.